This is how to create a scrolling text effect in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting the Type tool and typing out your text directly in the program monitor. Once your text is on screen, go to the Properties panel, scroll down to the Align section, and center the text both horizontally and vertically so it sits in the middle of the screen. Next, copy and paste the title multiple times on the next line. Around 15 to 20 copies works well. After pasting, slightly space each line out so the text isn't touching. Now select the text layer and open the opacity section in the effect controls. Create a rectangular mask. Resize the mask so it fully covers the text area and increase the feather slightly to soften the edges. With the text layer still selected, create position keyframes at the start of the clip. Then, move the playhead to where you want the scrolling to finish and adjust the position so the final word is within the mask. Right-click the final keyframe, go to Temporal Interpolation and choose Ease In. Then, right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out. Finally, expand the position property and open the graph editor. Adjust the graph so the movement starts slow, speeds up, and then slows down again smoothly.